Hello guys, if you are a new YouTuber, this video is very important for you. Most of the YouTuber use intro video, but if you don't know how to make intro video, this video for you, because today we discuss top 5 best IntoMaker apps. Number 1, IntoMaker AutoMaker Video Ad Creator. Making an intro for a YouTube video with these apps won't take more than 5 minutes of your time. This IntoMaker features a huge collection of fully customizable intro templates. Well, it also allows you to make a new intro from scratch. Number 2, ListenAnimateText Intro Maker. If you are looking for a simple way to adding text to a video, then ListenAnimateText Intro Maker may be the right choice for you. This app is designed to help users create awesome text animation and turn them into GIFs or videos. Number 3, IntoMaker Music Intro Video Editor. With the selection of more than 4,000 fully customizable templates, IntoMaker Video Editor is easily one of the best intro makers for Android device. So let's make your intro video with these apps. Next, number 4, quick free video editor for photos, clips, music. The app is equipped with 23 customizable templates that can also be used to create intros for videos you share on social media. At last, number 5, Video Shop. Creating an intro or editing an entire video with Video Shop is a fun process that is not going to take much more than a few moments of your time. With these apps, you can also control the playback speed of all video you edit and create slow motion or fast forward videos with ease. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.